Hebrews chapter 7. Nu is Melchizedek was king of Salem, and a priest of Almighty, meest heek. He met in wi Abraham, van he was coming hame fae a slaughter o a kings, and blessed him. Abraham gied him a tithe of all he'd teen in effectin. Melchizedek means king o' righteousness, and his other name was king o' peace, 'cause ye see Salem means peace. He'd nae father nor mither, nor ony family tree. He wasna born nor did he come till an een. But being like a son o' Almighty, he's a priest for all time. Nu just think on fu great this chiel is, at even Abraham gied him a tithe o' his lutens. Mair nor that, a law says that the descendants o' Levi, fa tak up being priests, have a richt to claim a tithe fae folk at other brothers, even though they're all descended fae Abraham. But though Melchizedek wasna descended fae Levi, he still and on collected the tithe fae Abraham and blessed him. A chiel fa had gotten Almighty's promises, and ye canna argue at the chiel fa gets a blessing is nae as far bin as a chiel fa gies it. I the A case, it's a chiel fa Monday at gets a tithes, and on the t'other hand, it's een fa we're telt is alive. Ye might say at even Levi, fa's dew his tithes, his himself been tithed to his chiel. 'Cause von Melchizedek first met him, he was still in the lines o' his forebear Abraham. Nu gin perfection had been able to be won at through a Levitical priesthood, 'cause it was through it, at the law was gien till a folk. Fit was the ease o' another priest rising up in the house o' Melchizedek, instead o' a following o' Aaron. 'Cause gin there's a change in the priesthood, there maun sign be a change in the law. And the een we're speaking about here belongs to a different clan. None of fa ever served as a priest. It's well kent that he was fae a clan at come out of Judah, and Moses never spake anything about priesthood in that clan. It all becomes as plain as day. Gin a new priest fa rises up is like Melchizedek, made a priest, nae be human rules and regulations, but fae poor o' a life at canna be connacht. For this was said, ye'll aye be a priest, after a hoose o' Melchizedek. So ye see, a commandment at gaed afore has been cancelled, 'cause it was feckless and useless. A law couldna lead anybody to be perfect, but the fessin in all a better hope did, and that's a why we draw near to Almighty. And it's all a better seeing he become a priest through a aith Almighty. Other chiels have been made priests without an aith, but Jesus his a aith, for said o' him, a maester has gien his aith and winna tak it back. Ye'll be a priest forever. This is why Jesus is a guarantee of a better covenant. And there were mony other priests, 'cause they couldna live forever, and were some like to slip o' timbers. But Jesus lives forever, so his priesthood doesna pass on to naebody else. That's a why he can save to a very marrow all them fa come to Almighty through him, 'cause he's living to speak out for them. Here's a priest we're seeking, nae adulterated, faultless, nae defiled, ayont the very reach o' Ildean, and made hicker nor the heavens. He doesna need to offer up sacrifices ilka day like a t'other priest do, for his ain Ildeans and sign for other folks. He ain't made a sacrifice for all, van he offered himself up. A law maks feckless heek priests, but the priest appointed by the word o' the aith at's a been a law, has been made perfect for aye.